Okay, so I'm actually heading out this morning. Is it morning or afternoon? This is almost 12:30 p.m. So it's afternoon already. So I'm actually heading out, and I was able to catch something late too, which is a demand zone. There was this tiny break of structure that I found, and I got in, and I was able to catch as little as less than 1.2 risk to reward ratio, or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So right now I'm heading out. I have so many errands to run. There's something I've noticed about myself. That's why you need to understand what works well with you, your lifestyle, your personality, your daily routine, your activities, your kind of person. I notice anytime I'm not settled, like maybe I have errands to run, I don't like to trade, because it actually makes me unstable, and eventually it affects my emotions. So it affects my emotions, you understand? And so ever since then, I don't like to trade without being stable, without being settled. So I already planned myself already that, okay, I'm heading out today. Like, I have so many errands to run. I want to get to the bank because I want to make some withdrawal. I still want to buy another prop firm account with the same prop firm I'm using, because they are running a promo which will be ending today. So I thought, well, to still partake in the promo before it officially ends this midnight. So I'll be heading to the bank to get some money. From there, I want to pick up some clothes. Okay, so from there, I want to go pick up some clothes I got before Christmas for myself and my husband. So I'll be picking them up. Then also, I want to see if I can get some attachments to make shuku, because the kind of it I'm sensing already, that I'm feeling already in advance, man. The kind of it that will deal with us in this Nigeria this January, it's not going to be something funny. So I just want to make something that I can pack up, like the way I'm packing this my ponytail hair up, that won't touch my body, because I don't like it when hair is touching my shoulder like that. Though I love long hairs, but then I don't like it to touch my shoulder. So I will see if I can still make that hair today. Then I also want to get a tab, because currently I have a tab I'm using at the moment. This is my tab, but then again I think it's having battery issue, so I want to change that. So I'll be going to Femtech to get a tab. So I'm thinking of getting an iPad, or I'm going to maybe get Redmi, because I love Redmi a lot. I've been using Redmi phone for the past 6-7 years, and trust me, I've never had any negative experience with it. So I think I love this Redmi Pad 2 Pro tablet that is going for, I think, around 400,000 to 500,000 thereabout. So I'll be heading to Femtech if I'm chance today to get that tab. But currently, this is my tab at the moment. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is my tab currently. This is the tab I'm using right now. So I don't know what happens to this at the end of the day if I get the new one. But currently, I just want to get a new one and a better one. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so right now I'll be heading out. Right now I'm heading out already. At least I made a video showing you guys the little tiny brick of structure that gave me that demand zone that got tapped, that I traded today, and how I was able to catch that move. So do well to watch the video after this particular. Alright, so I'm heading out already. As you can see, I'm out. See you guys, talk to you guys later. So I'm yet to fully resume trading, but then I'm still personally trading behind the scene. So I caught a quick buy on NASDAQ, though it's not the actual New York session that I trade, but it's the pre-market analysis that I caught this particular setup. So I just want to share this with you guys. So this is what the daily time frame is showing us currently at the moment. As you can see, let me zoom it in a bit. The market has been bullish. NASDAQ has been all-time bullish, yeah, but there has been some little retracement recently. So currently we trade what we see, not what we feel. So coupled with our supply and demand for entry, we trade price action. So based on what the market is showing us right now, if you go to the normal candlestick pattern, you're going to see that there's a fair value gap here at this point. Yes, so the market is reacting at that fair value gap. Hence, before now, the market was reacting to the supply zone here, because this is a supply zone and also a resistance zone. Because if you move it back a little, you're going to see that it passed for a resistance zone also, as well as a support, because the market came down from this angle, came down, pull back, came down, got to this point, did not break the last low, which is the last break of structure on the daily, but the market bounced back and got here, reacted to this supply zone, which was what we traded before the Christmas. Yeah, because for almost 2 weeks we really did not have set up. It was mostly no trading for us, because we're trying to stay disciplined. So which was all these doji signs that you're seeing here, all this ranging consolidation area, were the days that gave us a no trading. So the market actually reacted to the supply zone we long waited for, and it continued to push down. Then it got to this angle and decided to bounce back up and reacted back at the supply zone. So the supply zone, of course, prompted people to start selling the retracement also since like last week. Yeah, last week, few days ago. But unfortunately, the market got down here to this point and started reacting to this tiny fair value gap, and that is why the market is giving a buying vibes this morning, which I also tapped from it, that I want to show you guys. So in order not to make this video too long, let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what exactly is happening. So this is the zone I marked. This is where my supply zone is, and this is the resistance, the general resistance in this range. So as you can see, the market reacted to this supply zone and the market started coming down. Then the market got here where I said there was a fair value gap. If you change the candlestick back to the normal candle, then the market is now giving a buying vibe this morning. So right now, if you want to trade based on what you see, price action, then you might want to be looking for buy at this moment. Always know what you're looking for at that particular time. So now there is a minor supply zone in 4 hours. Let's hope the market is heading there, which is this. But before then, I was able to catch this move. You can see before it even got to that angle. So let me go to my 15-minute time frame where I caught that. Okay, yeah, good. This was the market I caught this morning, like midnight thereabout. Like I told you guys, for those of you that join my live, I trade the New York session, and the New York session opens around 2:30 Nigerian time, which is 9:30 New York time. But currently, my hand was scratching me, so I just did some pre-market analysis, which made me found this tiny break of structure that the market reacted to, and I took the trade. So that's why I'm explaining what I did there for you guys. So let me just delete this. Alright, so this was the market I caught. It was just 1 to 1.5 thereabouts, but the market is still buying up. Yeah, so this was how I traded this. So if you look here, you're going to see that the market was going up massively. Like from that fair value gap, it was bouncing up, and when it got here, it created this minor break of structure here. As you can see, this is it. Let me use this so you can see it clearly. So the market was coming up, like it was coming up like this, and it got here, it did something like this. Then from there, it did something like this. And right now it came to tap into my zone, which is this red tap here. Then let me show you. Look at here, this red candle, the last red candle before the last red candle here that gave us a short break before this pullback, yeah, was actually the break of structure. It's a very minor, tiny one, but because I was able to catch it, because I know what it looks like when I see one, so I caught this, and as you can see, this arrow here is to mark that break of structure. Then I marked that red candle as the last low in that tiny space, and the market came in and gave me a tap. Then I got in at this spot. I got in here and I got this brief buy. So that was what I did this morning. So guys, I just decided to show you what I caught briefly and how I was able to catch that move. If you go down to 5 minutes, even though I don't do 5 minutes, because 5 minutes can be so noisy. Now look at what 5 minutes is showing you guys. Let me delete this. You can see, look at it here. You can see it like a support, something like this ranging area. So it's still similar to what I just explained now. The market got here, gave us a minor tiny high in between, like, and the market broke it, which is this. So I marked this spot as the last low and waited for the price to do what? Come and tap into it, which the price did. Then I bought the market. So it's as simple as that. So that's how I trade. So we'll be resuming fully. Like, what I meant by we'll be resuming fully is actually, I mean, for public trading, public analysis, sharing my analysis with you guys, my setup with you guys, learning from me. So that's what I meant by we'll be resuming back on the 5th. But personally, I've been trading on the low, I've been trading behind the scene. I'm still checking out for what the market has in stock for me. So guys, let's make sure we set a clear and a measurable goal for this year 2025. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Let it not look like I'm trying to take us back. No. So let's try to have a measurable goal that we can all achieve in year 2026. I know in 2025 we had so much that we've set aside. Oh, I'm going to achieve this, I'm going to achieve that. Unfortunately, we only said it out of our mouth, but we did not put it into action. Anything you want to do, just put your mind to it, and trust me, you're going to achieve that. So I wish us a prosperous new year ahead, and trust me, this year is going to be our year. So if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll be sharing my life analysis, my wins, my losses, my lessons, my psychology journey, like everything about my trading journey. I'll be sharing it on this YouTube channel with you guys. So make sure you click the subscribe button to be part of this journey. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm at the bank already. GT code. So right now I'm done at the bank. So let's see if I can actually make my hair. So I'll be heading to, okay, I think I'll be stopping by my mom's place. Then I will just go get my attachments close to my mom's side and see if I can still make my shuku today. So let's go, guys. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I eventually did not make my hair because I stopped at my mom's place, just like I said, and they said they were bored, so I needed to take them out today. So guess where we are right now? We are at Princess Luxury Hotel. We want to check if the pool is a bit free today so we can swim. This is my kid sister. Say hi. Okay, so I'm hoping to bring her along in my 2026 vlogging because I lazy for content. But let's see if Mikey, let's see if this whole thing is going to play out this year, if I'm going to stay consistent with my vlogging. So let's check the pool house.